ShortMeTina once again from ShortMeTina.com. Doing a video recap at GM. I think I'm going to stick to GM. If you're curious as to my thoughts in regards to the overall market, like the SPY in particular, or even the IWM, you can go to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina or just peruse my website, ShortMeTina.com. I've done extensive videos on my overall views on the market. Be sure to catch it on one of those channels. At any rate, GM stock was in the news today. I believe it was halted either once or twice on news that they were slashing jobs. There's a general restructuring going on at GM. They're going to slash jobs and they're going to cut production on some of their slower selling models, right? So that, I guess because of that, again, stock was halted. And even with that said, GM is still up north of 5% on the day. So this video is going to focus more so on technical analysis and what I think in terms of the chart. Again, if there's a channel to be found, I will find it. In my opinion, GM for the most part has traded within a channel dating back to around December of 2010. All the data I have on TradingView for whatever reason. At any rate, stock has, for the most part, underperformed for the year, most recently hitting 52-week lows in October when it dipped as low as 30.56 or 30.57, depending on where you're getting your data from. At any rate, again, I'm not going to necessarily say whether or not I'm bullish or bearish. I will just play the chart, and how you would play the chart is once the stock reaches resistance, obviously you have to know how to strategically do it. Once the stock reaches resistance, I would short it. So if it gets anywhere around, I want to say 42, 43, the upper end of the channel, it would be a decent area to go short if you want to short the stock. And if you know how to short, conversely, if you're looking to long, you can do two things. You can wait until it retests that 52-week low and try to get a double bottom. If, however, the overall market is still kind of acting sluggish or bearish, I wouldn't even take the double bottom. I'd wait for it to pierce through that 52-week low and try to catch it here at multi-year support dating back to around June of 2011, or dating back to 2011. That support comes in at around, we can say, a range, let's say anywhere from $26 to $28. So that's how I would play GM, right? Not going to say I'm bullish, not going to say I'm bearish, just play the channel. How do you play the channel? Well, you want to short it once it gets to resistance, obviously respecting your stops, or respecting your stop, or having a stop in place. And if you want to go long, then you want to buy support, or you want to buy the bottom of the channel. In the case of GM, you have two bottoms. You have the 52-week low that we recently experienced back in October. 30, I think it was like 30.56, again 30.57, depending on where you get your data from. If you wanted to go long, you can try to play the double bottom by catching it there. However, I would be paying attention to the overall markets, because if the overall markets is sluggish, then I wouldn't try to play that double bottom. I'd wait for it to pierce through, and I would catch it at multi-year support around 26 to 28. Obviously, the key is always putting a healthy stop in place and respecting that stop. Gonna cap it here. If you want other long trade ideas, definitely head on over to my website at ShortMeTina. Let me show you. Right? We're here, ShortMeTina. If you like the content, just share on the left. Click on Swing Trading Watch List, and what will pop up, granted, if you're not subscribed, enter your email address. I deliver my weekly watch list for free every Sunday night, and you can kind of scroll down. I talk about some stocks that I am bullish on. So that's kind of it, right? All right, ShortMeTina from ShortMeTina.com, doing a video recap on ticker GM. If you enjoyed any part of this video, do two things for me. One, head on over to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. I do videos every single day. This ensures that you do not miss any. Then head on over to ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.